Clockwork's mouth's open.
What's all this then? The magnets have been reversed. But by Jove, it seems to have locked the clockwork parts into place. Excellent.
Sly Cooper! Of course this would be your doing.
Ah, Mr. Cooper. No doubt you believed a reversal would pull the old bird apart, eh? But it seems to have quite the opposite effect. I'm truly grateful. When fully powered up, I'll join myself to its circuits and be born anew.
All this because you can't fly. You're pathetic.
Immortality! Immortality is what I seek. The other Claw Gang members were much too short-sighted. They were satisfied using the clockwork parts to drive their various trivial schemes.
He must have paid John Bassan a whole lot of money just for the parts.
So what? You had Neyla put me on the scent back at
Like I said, the Cooper gang should have got rid of the parts when they could have.
the other Claw Gang members, all the while not arousing any suspicion that you were behind it all?
You make it sound easy, Cooper. I had to carry your pathetic gang through that first set of heists. I was overjoyed when Arpegio let me toss you in jail. I could finally go after the parts myself.
How did that work?
Acquiring all the parts was only half the equation. Think, Cooper, what kept clockwork alive for thousands of years?
He was fueled by his hatred for my family.
Splendid! That's right. Hatred. Putting its gears and wires together was child's play compared with accumulating that much hatred.
You can't make people hate.
Oh, my poor naive boy. My ridiculous mind has found a way. As your hippopotamus friend will attest, spice consumption makes you both angry and susceptible to hypnosis. The Contessa, hypnotist extraordinaire, devised a way to command people through the use of flashing lights. I've created this blimp to be a massive transmitter of those precise light frequencies. The only problem I faced was finding a suitable source of the light waves.
The Northern Lights. You've been collecting Northern Light energy so you can hypnotize everyone beneath the blimp.
Ah, hypnotize those who've eaten food covered in illegal spice. Thank goodness for Dimitri. Through his nightclub, he got the whole city to consume the spice.
You're going to Paris to unleash a hypnotic light show of hate. That's outlandishly cruel.
Cruel, perhaps, but necessary to give Clockwork his spark of immortality. Ah, well, my new body awaits me. Be a dear, Neyla, and keep him covered. Ta-ta!
Stupid Arpeggio. I double-crossed the Cooper gang, Interpol, and Carpenter. What made you think I wouldn't do the same to you?
She's the ultimate enemy and betrayer.
Is preposterous.
Like, oh, Neyla is on another level.
Immortality and demand.
Like, she is like top 5 of Sly Cooper enemies for sure. And it's unfortunate we don't really. Arpeggio basically dies right there, but we don't see him ever again. And that's that. So now we get to deal with Neyla, or I would say Clockla.
As we all know, things are looking grim. Neyla has joined herself to the Clockwork Frame, and the Union has produced Clockla. She's out and free to terrorize the world. This blimp is still in motion to Paris. I can only assume Arpeggio's autopilot will activate the hate hypnosis light show. If that happens, there will be no stopping Clockla. She'll be immortal. But we still have a chance. In her new form, she'll need to draw a lot of energy from this blimp's engines to stay strong. If we can disable the engines, that should be enough to weaken her to a state in which we can attack. Getting at these engines will require all 3 of us to work together in perfect harmony. We've some tough jobs in the past, but they were just the warm-up round.